Hi, to change the font size on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, open Settings and here search for the Display and Brightness tab. After that, we need to go in the font section and now we can change the font size and even the font style. So firstly, as for the size, we just need to drag the slider right like that and it will switch us to the medium option or drag it again and that is the largest option. If you swipe left till the end, you will see the smallest option available and here you can see the example how it will look as a text. Now we can also change the style. For that, switch to OneSense or OnePlus Sense. And also in OneSense, you can change the font weight. So just drag the slider to see the changes. If you messed up, you can easily reset the default setting. And here you can also enable or disable adaptive font weight. So just tap on the switcher and that is the changes. So if you're satisfied with everything, you just need to tap the button apply and the changes will be applied immediately. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.